YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be replacing the lower control arms. The video I do mess this up, but I have put it in the correct order. So firstly, we're going to undo these 3 bolts. They are done up to 50 newton meters, so they shouldn't be too hard, and they are 16 mil. Once you've then removed them, we will then move into the next bolt. You'll have to put a spanner on top, 19 mil, and then get your 19 mil impact underneath and just take it off. 80 newton meters of torque, and the next one is also 80 newton meters, as you can see there. Luckily you don't have to put a spanner on the other side. It's fairly easy, just get the impact gun on it. If you are doing the side with the longer axle, then you will have to use an extension on that as well to get it in, but it is doable. I did actually find both sides fairly easy to pull out, and when you're putting in the new side, it can be quite difficult to get them lined up, the two bigger bushes at the end. Ideally, you want to be using a rubber mallet on them if you can, and get them in. I actually did just give them a good old kick, and it seemed to have worked. Once you've loosely got the back 2 bolts in, it's then recommended to put these 3 bolts in the front. And yeah, this is the bit where you'll be hitting it with a rubber mallet. Again, you can use a screwdriver to get through there as long as it's thick enough just to line it up, or I used a small thin extension bar as they don't bend. So these 3 under here are 50 newton meters. That one's 80 newton meters. That one there's 80 newton meters as well. Make sure you put a spanner on top of that one when you're tightening it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check the comments out for a playlist for the Seat Ibiza, and if you've got any questions, put them in the comments.